cute. Spread out my braid bit because I tied little buns to it. So the next thing Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Brittany and today we're going to be doing 5 different hairstyles. If you're like me, I never do my hair at all when I go out. All I do is just comb it out and call it a day, but today it's going to be different. I'm going to try out 5 different hairstyles that are quick, simple, and easy so that I could just do it on the go and it looks good without putting too much effort in it. I feel like hair could change your whole look and also your fits as well. To start off, my hair is a bit more curly than I usually have it, and that's because I did overnight curls, which is a simple hack that I like to use. It's really low effort and you just do it the night before, so once you wake up you could just take it out and your hair is ready to go and it looks really nice and presentable. So if you're interested in overnight curls, you could check out my previous video I did. I did 3 different methods for overnight curls, testing out which one was the best for me. So for my hairstyles, I drew them out because I also was looking through Pinterest and also TikTok to see what styles I wanted to go for. Here are my hair idea sketches. They look a little sketch, but we're gonna make it work. I wanted to sketch it out just so I can know what I want and also give me an idea of how the hairstyle would look. First one we're gonna start off with is the half up, half down. This one is really simple. You won't need to know how to braid. Leave out some hair to frame my face. My hair frames are a bit long because I haven't had a haircut in a while. And then after I separate it, I'm just gonna twist it, grab more hair as well. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. I'm gonna twist it back. You could clip it together, but what I'm gonna do is just tie it with a small elastic. So this is the first simple one, so it's just a regular half up, half down. And what you can do to elevate it a bit, in the back you guys could take the pony and then flip it up so that it gives it more of a bounce. I don't know if you guys could see or not. I think it'll be really cute if you put in a bow in the middle as well. So this is really simple and easy to do. We're gonna do a braided headband. Separate your framing hairs first. Just gonna clip it. I'm gonna just grab from my ear everything in front of it and separate it like that. Just do a French braid, and I am not good at French braids. Separate it into 3 strands. Grab some hair from the side. You're gonna bring it to the middle. Grab more hair on the other side and then bring it to the middle. Then you'll switch which side you're grabbing the hair from. So every time it's on the end, you're gonna grab more hair into the braid. If you grab it all, you're just gonna finish up the braid. So I'm just gonna leave it first and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. This is already overwhelming for me, but it's okay. This one is actually a little more thinner than the other side, but it's fine. Take another elastic. I'm gonna move my frame pieces. You're just gonna tie it at the end. After it's tied, you're gonna flip it. Make sure your frames are inside. Actually, this one's not bad. So you can flip it, hangs out on the outside. Take the rest of your hair and bring it over the braids of hair. It'll be kind of like a headband. So if you guys are better at braids than me, then you'll see that there'll be the braiding texture. I really like this because it shows the framing pieces, but it also holds your hair back. And then also, if you feel like the braids are getting too loose, you could tie it higher so that it wraps right around your head. The next one we're gonna do is pigtails. I'm just gonna do framing pieces again because my head will look hella big if I don't leave it out. Take the piece right behind my framing face and braid it down. And then you could tie it down as well with another elastic. I feel like putting braids in your hair just makes it look like you put in that much more effort. And then I really like a low pony as well. And then I'm gonna use one of these hair ties. And these hair ties are like the fabric ones, so they're way softer on your hair rather than the normal super thick hard hair ties I used to use. I remember I used to be into super high ponytails. I've been liking low ponytails because I feel like it looks so preppy and cute. And then you could just curl your hair using some ribbon, into the hair tie so that it pops it out. And then I'm gonna tie it onto the hair tie. Super cute. I feel like it just made the hairstyle 10 times more cuter. If you think your hairstyle is not giving, just add in a couple ribbons here and there and it'll look cute. So that's how it looks. Really cute, really simple. Can't really see the braids. I feel like if you have dark hair, it's just harder to see braids. So what I'm gonna do is have the hair tie on the right side of my hand, pull it, and then twist the hair around the hair tie twice. Grab the hair and then put it over the hair tie and then tie it off. It's not as tight as I would like it. Let me try to redo this side. So you're gonna just tie little buns to it, and that's how it looks. I'm over the buns. We can't do a hairstyle without doing a high pony. I'm gonna take half of my hair and tie it up, and then I'm gonna flip it in to give it more volume. Okay, this one was kind of a fail because the other elastic came out when I put it in a high pony, but yeah. Another look is just putting your hair in a high pony. As you can tell, hair is not my forte, but I tried. Even though these were supposed to be simple and effortless, I don't know why, but hair is just such a difficult thing to do for me. With practice, it'll get better. If you guys also struggle, let me know your tips on how to get better at doing hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. The only thing bad about using the elastics is it's hard to take out. Okay, I'm just gonna unclip it so I can clip this so it stays. Oh, why is my hair not well behaved?